Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to calculate integers with brackets and exponents. Let's review exponents briefly. If you're unsure about them, please see the video, whole number 4. 6 with a little 2 on the top right-hand corner is called 6 to the power of 2, usually read as 6 squared. This means multiplying 6 2 times. So 6 squared is equal to 6 times 6. 6 with a little 3 on the top right-hand corner is called 6 to the power of 3, usually read as 6 cubed. This means multiplying 6 3 times. So 6 cubed is equal to 6 times 6 times 6. 6 with a little 4 is called 6 to the power of 4, or 6 to the 4th power. This means multiplying 6 4 times. 6 with a little 5 is called 6 to the power of 5, or 6 to the 5th power. This means multiplying 6 5 times. Now let's review brackets. Do you know the 3 kinds of brackets? We normally use the round brackets, but they are actually called parentheses. The square brackets are called brackets, and the squiggly brackets are called braces. There is no order of brackets, but we need to calculate the innermost brackets first. We usually use parentheses as the innermost bracket, and then brackets, and then braces. Let's try some questions. Here's the first question. Check the innermost brackets first. In this case, there are 2 parentheses. One parentheses have 3 squared minus 7, which has an exponent, and the other one has 10 minus 6, which is a simple subtraction. Since the exponent is stronger than subtraction, let's do 3 squared. Nothing changes for the other parts. So we have brace 6 plus bracket parentheses 9 minus 7 minus parentheses 10 minus 6 squared. Now we have subtractions inside the parentheses. So we need to do 9 minus 7, which is 2, and 10 minus 6, which is 4. Now we have brace 6 plus bracket 2 minus 4 squared. And there's a subtraction inside the brackets. So we need to do 2 minus 4, which is equal to negative 2. Then we have brace 6 plus bracket negative 2 squared. Then 6 plus negative 2 is equal to 4. We now have brace 4 squared, so the answer is 16. Here's the second question. Check the innermost brackets first. In this case, there are 2 parentheses. One parentheses have 1 minus 2 squared, which has an exponent, and the other have 7 minus 5, which is a simple subtraction. Since the exponent is stronger than subtraction, let's do 2 squared first. Nothing changes for the other parts. So we have bracket 2 minus parentheses 1 minus 4 plus brace negative 3 squared minus bracket negative 6 minus parentheses 7 minus 5. Now we have subtractions inside the parentheses, so we need to do 1 minus 4, which is equal to negative 3, and 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2. Now we have bracket 2 minus parentheses negative 3 plus brace negative 3 squared minus bracket negative 6 minus parentheses 2. And there are subtractions inside the 2 brackets. So we need to do 2 minus parentheses negative 3, which is equal to 5, and negative 6 minus 2, which is equal to negative 8. Then we have bracket 5 plus brace negative 3 squared minus bracket negative 8. Now we have an exponent 3 squared, which is equal to 9, and negative bracket negative 8 is equal to positive 8. So we have bracket 5 plus brace -9 plus 8. Now -9 plus 8 is equal to -1. We now have bracket 5 plus brace -1. So the final answer is 4. Here's the third question. Check the innermost brackets again. There is only one pair of parentheses. We have two exponents in them, 2 to the power 5 and 3 cubed. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is the same as 8 times 4, and that is equal to 32. And 3 cubed is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27. So we have 7 minus brace, 3 minus bracket 2 squared minus parentheses 32 minus 27, brackets closed, to the power of 4 and then a brace. Now there's a subtraction, 32 minus 27, which is equal to 5. And we have 7 minus brace 3 minus bracket 2 squared minus parentheses 5, bracket closed, to the power of 4 and then a brace. Now we need to calculate 2 squared, which is equal to 4. So we now have 7 minus brace 3 minus bracket 4 minus 5, bracket closed, to the power of 4 and then a brace. Then we do 4 minus 5 in the brackets. So we have 7 minus brace 3 minus bracket -1, bracket closed, to the power of 4 and then a brace. Now bracket -1 to the power of 4 is equal to -1 times -1 times -1 times -1. There are 4 negatives, so the answer will be positive, and 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So bracket -1 to the power of 4 is equal to 1. Now we have 7 minus brace 3 minus 1. Then 3 minus 1 in the brace is 2. So we have 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. Let's summarize today's lesson. The round brackets are called parentheses. The square brackets are called brackets. And squiggly brackets are called braces. Calculate the innermost brackets first, usually parentheses, and then brackets, and then braces. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thank you and have a good one.